So I've been using the Wacom Cintiq 16 for about 4 months, and I wanted to do a drawing demo as well as some of my thoughts on it. So let's get right into it. What's good, YouTube? I am digital artist Brian Hampshire, providing creators with tips and tricks, all while documenting my life as an artist. So if you're interested in this content, please hit that subscribe button. As I said in my unboxing video, the build quality is second to none. This is the closest thing you're going to get to traditional art from a digital tablet. The smoothness in which your pen glides from the screen just feels right. It's kind of hard to explain. You won't really know until you hold that stylus in your hand and start drawing on a Wacom tablet. Now, my main tablet is the XP Pen 22-inch, just because of the size, but I've been considering switching to the smaller Cintiq 16, but the biggest two differences between Wacom and their alternatives is the drivers and the Parallax. The drivers just work on the Cintiq. Unlike the XP Pen, they don't put out drivers every single month. And yeah, the drivers are a simple process to install and download. But imagine coming home from work, getting ready to draw something, and you turn on your tablet, turn on your computer, get your reference ready, and you put your stylus to your tablet and nothing happens. So now you go through a process of troubleshooting, you reboot your computer, and come to find out they've released a whole new driver for your tablet. And so now you have to go and you have to download that. And in the process, you lose all of your settings unless you save them in a separate file, and you got to upload that file and all of that stuff. The Cintiq 16, it just works seamlessly. Now let's talk about the Parallax. Parallax is really not that big of a deal. You can draw with it, you can draw without it, whatever. But I've been drawing digitally for about 3 years on this XP Pen, and I didn't really notice it, but it's almost like going to a car lot and test driving a Porsche, and then you get back in your little raggedy car, and then you notice everything that's wrong with your car. And so now that I have driven the Porsche, it's hard for me to go back to the XP Pen. I'm sorry, as my main drawing tablet. So in the future, I'm going to be looking at upgrading to the Cintiq 22-inch. So I hope this can help you guys out in choosing a tablet. If it did, please let me know by hitting that like button. Hit that subscribe button for future content. And as always, I'll holler at you guys next time. Believe that.